So welcome to the perfect electrical solution. Today we are going to discuss about the acoustic stethoscope. So word stethoscope has been derived from the Greek word stetho and scope. Stetho means chest and scope mean examine. So stethoscope is a acoustic medical device which was used for listen the animal and human body internal sound. So most of the use of stethoscope for listening the heart and lungs sound. So this is the your acoustic stethoscope. So this portion is your headset and this one is your earpiece, and this is your tube in which sound travels, and here you can see the chest piece, diaphragm, and this one is your cup or bell, and this is your steam. So when we need to listen a high pitch sound, that case we are using a diaphragm portion. Example, when we are going to listen the heartbeat of the patient, so we are using this portion, and when we are going to examine the lungs of the patient, most probably we are using this portion, bell type portion. So before starting or using the acoustic stethoscope, we need to see in this dot which is given on the back side of the stethoscope. If this dot has been closed, shown in this side, that means your diaphragm portion has been active. And now I am going to rotate the steam, and now after rotating they give a click sound, and here you can see now the hole shown, it's open. So now your device has been ready for bell type portion. So wearing method of stethoscope must be correct. You can see both the earpiece are tilt outward from the x-axis if I hold the device like that, and if I hold stethoscope like that, in case these earpiece are tilt inward of the axis. So every time when we are going to wear a stethoscope, we need to hold a stethoscope like that, outward direction. The phases of your earpiece has been outward direction, and you wear stethoscope like that. So why we are wearing a stethoscope at outward direction and why we didn't wear like that? Because when we are wearing a stethoscope from outward earpiece, that time your earbuds has been properly fit with your ear canal, and when you are wearing a opposite side or wrong side of the stethoscope, that time your earbuds has been closed from the starting, and they are not properly connected with your ear canal, and they are only attached with your ear bone, and you have difficulty to listening the heart rate, heart sound or lung sound of the patient. That's why proper position of wearing the stethoscope is very important. So we are also using a stethoscope for listening the veins and arteries sound. In BP measurement, blood pressure measurement, we are using a mercury type sphygmomanometer and aneroid type sphygmomanometer. At that case, we are wearing the headset and put the diaphragm on the vein like that, and press that from the back side. So here we can listen the sound of arteries or veins.